What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to create an account on Ubisoft. So this one is pretty easy. You just need to follow my steps and you pretty much can do it. So first of all, go to your browser and search Ubisoft. Click this Ubisoft website right here and you'll run on the website. Just click register now. Set up your cookies and there will be an icon right here in the top right corner. Just click that icon right here and it will redirect you to this window and you will need to log into your account or create an account. So just click create an account and it will show you this. You will need to provide your email address and you will need to provide a strong password. Any password would do as long as it is strong. And also you will need to make your username and also your birth date. And after that, just check the three box right here and click create a Ubisoft account. And after you do that, there will be a code, 6-digit code that will be sent to your email address that you use. So just go to your email app or Gmail, I mean. After you go that in your inbox, there will be a code, 6-digit code right here sent by Ubisoft and just copy it. Then paste it right here. And after that, just click create account. It will load up. And as you can see, I already made my account and it is logged into Ubisoft website. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.